The cuckoo chick has just hatched, and now these small birds have lost everything. Their lives will be entirely under the control of this intruder, with no way to resist. The cuckoo chick is only 24 hours old, still featherless and blind, yet instinctively pushes any other eggs or chicks out of the nest. Please spare a moment to like and subscribe if you haven't joined our channel's friends. Don't forget to support us with a comment. Thank you. The cuckoo is a unique bird belonging to the Cuckoolidae family, known for its unusual reproductive behavior of laying its eggs in the nests of other birds, allowing them to raise its chicks. This bird possesses a diverse range of biological and behavioral traits, making it one of the most studied birds in ornithology. Let's dive into more details about this bird in terms of classification, appearance, behavior, and reproduction. Scientific classification. Scientific name, Cuculus canorus, common cuckoo. Family, Cuckoolidae. Order, Cuculiformes. There are various types of cuckoos around the world, but the common cuckoo is the most well-known and widely studied. Appearance and physical characteristics. Size. The cuckoo ranges from 30 to 40 centimeters in length, with wingspans of about 50 to 56 centimeters. Color. Adult birds are typically gray with black and white striped feathers on the belly. Some other species may have bright or dark colors. Sound. The cuckoo is recognized for its distinctive cuckoo call, audible from a distance. Distribution and habitat. Cuckoos are found in diverse regions, including open forests, marshes, and agricultural areas. The cuckoo is common across Europe and Asia, and migrates to Africa and parts of Asia during winter. Diet. Cuckoos primarily feed on insects and larvae, including spiky caterpillars avoided by other birds. They use their sharp beaks to catch prey and are beneficial to the environment as they help control harmful insect populations. The most notable aspect of cuckoo behavior is reproductive parasitism. The female lays her eggs in the nests of other birds like reed warblers, which unknowingly raise the chick as their own. Cuckoo eggs are adapted to resemble those of their host, preventing detection. After hatching, the aggressive chick usually removes any host eggs or chicks from the nest to secure all available food and care. Cuckoos have evolved various forms to mimic host eggs closely in color, shape, and pattern. This camouflage ensures the egg remains unnoticed, as host birds may abandon or remove eggs that look different. Egg characteristics vary depending on the cuckoo species and the targeted host bird. For example, cuckoo eggs may resemble host eggs in color, white, brown, blue, or spotted patterns, and size, though they may sometimes be slightly larger. One might assume the female cuckoo would simply remove all host eggs and replace them with her own. However, most birds abandon nests with only one egg, explaining why the young cuckoo handles this task itself. The young cuckoo has a unique hollow back that helps it balance host eggs or chicks before pushing them out. Surprisingly, this distressing behavior doesn't seem to alarm the foster parents, who don't react even as their eggs are expelled. Migration. The cuckoo is a migratory bird, moving from Europe and Asia to Africa during winter and returning in spring. Migration is crucial for its life cycle, ensuring food availability and suitable nesting sites. Relationship with humans. The cuckoo has a notable impact on culture and folklore, often associated with omens and time. The famous cuckoo clock is named after this bird due to its distinctive call replicated in these clocks. Different species. Although the common cuckoo is the most famous, many other cuckoo species exhibit similar behaviors, including the hawk cuckoo, Herocoscyx, the black Jacobin cuckoo, Chlamyder jacobinus, and the striped cuckoo, Tapra nivea. Environmental importance. The cuckoo plays an essential role in the ecosystem by regulating insect populations. Despite its parasitic reproductive behavior, it contributes to the ecological balance in its habitats. The cuckoo is unique with its parasitic breeding behavior and distinctive call. It has evolved advanced biological adaptations that allow it to thrive in various environments. Although it may be a nuisance to other birds, it remains an integral part of biodiversity in nature. If you've reached the end of the video, please support our content with a like and comment to encourage us to explore other topics. Thank you for watching and welcome to your channel.